Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on the Bifrost Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bifrost Wallet application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your PIN code or your biometrics. Now after you have logged in, you will be taken into your main homepage within which you will be shown all of your assets. Now, if you look at the top section, you will see that the default currency that is used within the application is the US dollar. Now, if you wish to change this currency, then simply tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner. And now from the settings page, you will find the currency option. Go ahead and tap on currency, and then you will be able to select from the various list of available currencies from within the application. Just go ahead and tap on your desired currency and it will be applied to your assets right away. You can come back to this menu at any time and simply tap on the currency menu once again to change your currency at any time you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on the Bifrost Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.